Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. This one is a double. If you want to see me fold a king size fitted sheet, you can head over to my how to fold bedding and fitted sheet video and I show you how to fold that there. But it's really the same fold. I'm not going to bore you with too much chat. My name is Sophie, you might know me as the folding lady, and let's get right into the fold. Okay, I lied, this one has turned out to be a king. It's a king with elasticated rim all the way around. But look, it's the same fold. They're all the same. You're going to put your hands in the two corners, you're going to clap them together and you're going to fold them over. Then hook the corner over your arm and just run your hand down to make sure that these corners at the bottom are together just like your corners at the top. And you'll already see your fitted sheet starting to look a little bit easier to fold. Okay, so next you're going to repeat yourself. You've got your hands in your corners, you're going to clap them together and just fold over those corners. Run your hand down, and at this point you want to lie it on the bed and just gather your corners together. What you'll find is your elasticated corners will naturally come down, turning your fitted sheet into a square or a rectangle depending on what the size is, and just flatten that out a little bit. The amount of time you spend flattening this section out really depends on how bothered you are about creases in storage. I, for one, am not bothered. I do not iron my fitted sheets at all. They iron themselves when they go on the bed. So from here, you're going to bring your top down to the middle and then you're going to take your bottom up. So you're going to kind of fold it into thirds. And at this point, we're nearly done. We're just going to fold it from left to right. So that's how you fold a fitted sheet, nice and easy. Let me know if you give it a go. And storage wise, I mean, these are great in a basket. I'm actually storing these ones at the minute because they're in George's room. Thanks for joining me. There is so many more folding tutorials over on my YouTube channel. And just to let you know that my brand new website is about 2 months away from launch and I can't wait for you to join me over there as well. Hope you all have a good day. Happy fitted sheet folding.